Anantak, we obviously build autonomous vehicles, but we also build solutions. So something that really sets Anantak apart and makes us the company that we are is we're a very small yet nimble team. We're able to rapidly prototype, develop, and solve customers' problems for them really fastly. And our small team size actually plays a big role because when we have our deployment engineers on site deploying some of our robots, they're working with the customer and the end users of our robotic solution, and they're really able to gather how they feel and how our machines are being used in the field. They get that kind of base level and they carry that back to the team and kind of instruct us how we should be building our solution, how the people using our machines feel. So we kind of have a big emotional kind of, I guess, pipeline that goes into how we develop here at Anantak, because ultimately, the person at the very end of the line, that warehouse worker who's interacting with our robot, if he's happy and the machine is being used, then that's good for us no matter what. That's really how we are very different from a very big robotics company that might try to sell the robot first and derive the solution later.